Well, what's going on?
We're doing an unboxing out of a flimsy package. So I don't know if it could technically be called an unboxing or if it's just, opening something.
Because it's not a box
No, it's package opening.
from UPS. Because when you're on a hard monitor, they will, send you. Oh, they did.
Yeah,
They sent me a
extra
lot. Extra.
chest plates
They
for the
look
heart
like-
monitor.
They look like this. I know some of you have seen it. Oh, they did the same thing that you use. See, you get these things, and this thing goes off in it, but you have to charge it.
Yep.
I don't know if you can see.
And they got wipes and everything with it, so that's a win-win.
Win-win. Slim Jim. So, this is what we popped in for.
Yep.
I needed some more heart monitors. My heart wore the first one out.
Right. And we didn't want to be without, so
in
we went
4
ahead.
days.
Yeah, we went ahead and ordered some more.
4 days, I tell you. Because I had some heart issues. Go figure. Heart monitor equal heart issues. And the heart issues, I had to press the button one time, didn't I?
Yep.
Yeah, I had to press the button because I was having hard chest pains. Not like that. It was, not like that. It was more like, baby. Like that. That's what it was like. Yeah. So, in a way, don't forget. What's happening Saturday?
We're doing a special edition of Cruising Through Life with a featured creator, Home Bartending with John, at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Yes. Be there. You don't want to miss this episode because this episode, special edition, fun. We're going to make fun.
Yep.
No, we're going to be mixologists.
We're students.
We're mixing an ologen.
No.
It's not a word.
No.
Oh. Mixing with ologist.
So does that make us alchemists? Is
Oh,
that
yeah.
what it
We could
is?
be like on the ship. John is teaching us how to be like the alchemy bar. Oh, man. And then we get to drink something.
Yeah, because these drinks are especially for us.
Special, special, special. So anyway, see you at 3, Saturday, April 22nd, which is this Saturday.
Take care, guys.
Love you.